This is me, Angela. Friends and clients call me the Dream Builder. I'm a writer and social media professor who loves coffee. Cause without it, I could not survive my life with my 2 boys, 1 girl,
and their dad is a real rocket scientist.
My family and friends, we laugh with each other and sometimes at each other. This is Today with Angela. We are baking a cake today, a rainbow cake. And guess what it's made from?
Play-Doh.
This is not going to be any cake. This is a non-edible cake, but it's a lot of fun. I've never made a rainbow cake before, but my kids have. They've watched YouTube videos, right? Andrew, you have blue, right? I've got yellow. Alexander, my oldest, has red. And Alyssa, the only girl, she's got green. All right. So,
I'm going to be making roses out of
my
cake.
guests. Let's get to work. All right. Okay. You know what you got to do. Talk us through it.
So first you got to flatten your ball. Well, first you have to make it into a ball and your color, and then you have to flatten it. Like this. We can all do it at the same time. So let's flatten it. Try and make it the same size.
All right. I got mine. Is this good?
No. It looks like a banana. You have to make it
flat. I like it flat like that, so it's not too thick. They want to thick. I don't want to.
It has to be thick, or it's not going to look like that.
I don't want it that.
Look
thick.
at this. This is good. This is good.
That looks like a big, like super thick. Is that how it's supposed to be?
Yes. We've seen YouTube videos. That's how it is.
Okay.
You don't know. You made it like a banana.
Okay.
Banana.
All right.
This is the size. Let's see.
That's the size?
Yeah.
That's interesting. Because I would think it needs to be.
No, Andrew. No.
Okay.
Yours is good. Okay. So yeah, about this size.
On the edges.
Huh?
All right.
It's good. It's okay.
All right.
Okay. So
and here's the thickness. Is this good?
Yep.
All right. Here's the thickness of it. All right.
The next thing you got to do is take something to cut with. Use a triangle thing, or you can just use like a regular little fake knife to make it into a triangle. Okay. And my little secret is you take it, if you have a triangle thing, and you push it on a little bit.
Let's move it so we can see a little bit. Here, move the camera down a little. Okay.
So you take it and you push it on a little bit where you want it to be. And then you can cut right where the push is, so you know exactly what to do. So
or you could just take a knife and
so they're waiting for me to give it to them. So here, now Andrew's going to go.
Andrew, you want to do yours?
Once you get your piece,
I'm going to put mine on top of it.
try and flatten it.
You gotta cut it? You need help? Or you got it?
I don't need help.
Oh, you guys just push it?
Yeah, you just push it and then you cut where you're pushing.
Oh, this is really fat. Maybe I should make it.
This is supposed to be.
This is cool.
Should I make it fatter?
So this is what it looks like, a little piece of cheese.
This is really cool.
Rotten cheese.
A fun activity to do with your kids. All right, let's wrap it up. Okay. Come on, guys. Let's get to work. This is 3 minutes. This is too long of a video. Come on.
Okay. Yeah, this is good, Andrew. So next you connect your pieces in rainbow order. First, let's do...
First,
Let me hurry up.
Okay,
You are slow.
Alexander, what are you
Oh
doing?
my gosh, Alexander's an engineer over here.
It has to be perfect.
Oh my
It doesn't
gosh.
have to be perfect.
He wants to be an architect, so he's going to make a great architect.
Mommy, you haven't done yours yet. Okay, wait.
That's because you guys are slacking.
First, we need red. It needs to be a little more fat.
There's mine.
Flatter.
All right.
Whoa.
So mine looks like Pac-Man. Oh yeah, Pac-Man.
Yours is really big. You need to like squish
Way
it in
too
a
big.
Oh.
You need to go slower on it. Take your time.
Okay, next.
This is.
So let's do red
next.
first. Let's do red.
Oh, red is next.
Yeah.
First, red goes. No,
Then
first
yellow.
is red.
I know this is going first.
Wait.
Red.
Wait, but where's? No, wait. Where's the green needs to go on top?
What do you?
You guys are forget, right?
Oh yeah.
Come on. What are you doing? What am I thinking? No, what are you thinking? You're doing green.
Wait, red, yellow. Squish the
Green.
yellow in a bit. Green, blue. Then you can kind of squish it a bit.
But red and yellow are not right. You guys, the red is supposed to be at the bottom. You see?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. Now it's right.
Okay.
So, okay.
Then you kind of want to.
I'll do the vanilla ice.
No, I
So it looks like it's a cake.
Okay, I'm just gonna flatten.
If
Okay,
you
you
want
flatten
to do
it,
vanilla,
and
let
I'll
Andrew
cut.
do vanilla.
Okay, so now we're doing the icing. Okay, we're doing the icing now.
No, that didn't.
And I'll do my rose.
And Alyssa's gonna work on the rose.
I'll show you guys how to do rose. So flip this upside down. Flip it like that. Here it is. Our cake. You can make it this way.
It needs to be more flat.
So yeah, you can flatten it. I'm gonna make the rose. I can show you guys how to make
Here,
it.
let me flatten this a
So
little.
I need something to flatten with.
You need a little bit more because this is supposed to go over the whole cake, right?
We don't have like.
Is this just the top of the cake? Or the
Yeah.
whole cake?
Just the top cake and you cut.
Oh, I thought we
Wait.
were making. I thought we were making like it all the way over.
Oh no. Okay, so then.
Okay, this is just a top
You
icing.
need something to roll out if you're gonna make the rose. We don't have like a roller for Play-Doh, so I'm just gonna use like a little marker so I can use it.
Cut this. A
So
little
first
piece
I
out,
want to
so it's
flatten it.
Oh yeah.
So first you flatten it for the rose. Flatten it like kind of like the pieces, and then you could just start rolling it out. Since we don't have a Play-Doh roller, I'm just using a marker.
I thought we had a Play-Doh roller.
Well, can't find it.
Oh, now that's a true statement again. Oh, okay.
Have it, but we can't find it.
We don't have a Play-Doh roller. You guys have everything. All right. So here's that. Is that the icing?
Yeah.
So this is like a vanilla icing.
It's too fat.
Okay.
No.
Trying to roll.
Perfect.
Like it's too fat. Then these are too small. See?
And roll it out.
That's
It's
okay.
gonna take a little bit off.
Roll.
Okay, come on, let's get these roses going. We're 6 minutes.
Okay.
This is the longest video. I've taught people how to publish a book in longer time it takes to make a Play-Doh cake. This is ridiculous.
Okay, now you just roll it up. Wait, first you need to cut it. You cut so it's even line.
You should have some already ready.
And then you just roll it up.
This is crazy.
You know what they did in the video?
Oh,
They
yeah.
put it like around. They put.
Yeah, that's what I've seen. I've seen you guys watching one where they have vanilla around like the whole. So you can do your cake. So you can do the cake like this. Let's push this back up. Push.
Then they did like.
Okay, come on. Let's wrap it up.
I know I'm wrapping it up.
Wrap it up.
Meaning like this is taking too long. We're trying to make this beautiful cake.
Exactly. If you want to make
eat
it
it.
beautiful, you need to take your time.
Now that's a good lesson. Things that are beautiful take time to be made.
And then it was like ice.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm ready for my second. It's okay. I'm just gonna cut it. Cut this
Then
way.
you put the blueberry.
Cut this way. Then you cut this way.
All right.
Right.
We just
Okay,
want to put
just put the.
You
What,
don't
what are we
need
waiting on? Is this one of the
blueberries.
Do you want two?
Oh, we're doing two. Is that why? These are so big.
I
Maybe
know
we should
it's
do
not.
a
That one's
smaller?
not ready. This is not. It's not ready.
This is a little big for this
Exactly.
kind of cake.
This is what I was trying to do.
Smaller.
I know that I just had to roll it up. Rose.
Okay, so here's you can add it with the rose.
Yeah.
Okay. I
And
think I kind of like it without the rose though too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks cool too without. And then where's the slice?
Here's a slice.
Slices. Wait.
So here's the
We don't
slice
do
of
it
cake.
yet. Let's make it look like we're gonna cut it.
Okay.
Okay, put it down. Okay, so we finished our Play-Doh cake. It's accomplished. Now let's cut it. Cut it so we can eat.
Cut.
Wait.
No.
Mom. Wait, we're gonna do this. So, look.
Too much
Andrew, you could
sugar.
show them.
Okay.
Show them, Andrew. Play-Doh cake.
You want some?
Can I have
All right. Yummy.
so yummy. Not edible. I rip him. Just okay.
Don't eat it.
Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
We're just fake.
We're acting. Bye.
Exactly as scrumptious.